Hello, I am Miranda and I'm here to help you a little. If you find my video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel. Today we will discuss the difference between dynamic and state verbs. Some learners find it difficult to differentiate them from each other. Here we go. As we know, verbs in English can be classified into two categories: state verbs and dynamic verbs. Dynamic verbs, sometimes referred to as action verbs, usually describe actions we can take or things that happen. State verbs usually refer to a state or a condition which is not changing or likely to change. Dynamic is an adjective which means something that is moving or changing. In English grammar, a dynamic verb means that the verb describes an action rather than a state. These verbs are physical. If you can see the action with your eyes, it means that it is a dynamic verb. For example, eat, drink, read, or write. How about state verbs? In English grammar, a state verb means that the verb describes a state rather than an action. State verbs are not physical verbs. We can't see the actions. For example, know, recognize, believe. The difference is important because state verbs cannot normally be used in the continuous forms. But you may ask, why can't we use state verbs in continuous tenses? For example, I am writing. It is present continuous. It is happening now. The action is in progress, and I can stop doing it anytime I want. But what about state verbs? If I say, I know English, is this an action? Am I doing it with any movement? Is it happening only now? Can you see the action? No, no, and no again. So this is state, situation that is not changeable. Usually state verbs are related to our mind or taste. That's why state verbs are usually used with present simple tense. In conclusions, verbs like play, drink, dance, swim are dynamic verbs, and verbs like know, believe, understand, recognize are state verbs. So, I hope that this video was helpful for you and you will never mix up continuous and non-continuous verbs anymore. That's all for today. Have a nice day and see you soon.